The book of First Peter tells us, you might be thinking about Jason, that I'm not a priest. I'm just me. I'm a priest once you were in trouble for offering up these sacrifices. I could say that looking at that master. That's not me, All those things you just lifted, Jason, that's not really applicable, is it? Because I'm not a priest. That's how we rationalize things to ourselves. But First Peter tells us that you and I, we are the priesthood of believers. We don't have a priest. Jesus is the high priest, and the rest of us, we can commune with God on our own. Because why? Because God lives in here. Again, make sure you understand, God doesn't live here. God doesn't live up there. God lives here. Therefore, we are all part of the priesthood of believers. And our job as being a part of that priesthood of believers, according to 1 Peter 2, is that we are to offer good and acceptable sacrifices to God. Paul goes on to write in Romans chapter 12, he says, the sacrifice, the acceptable sacrifice that you and I are to offer God, the good one that Peter talks about, the one that God is requiring from us, Paul says that sacrifice is to be us. We are to be the living sacrifice. And Paul even goes so far as saying that is a reasonable act of worship. Saying that's just common sense. Why? Because our Jesus gave everything for us. How can we come into his presence and offer him anything less? Especially our red, rusty mind.